Let's play a little game. Here you see the dashboard of the challenge that I'm busy with, the 1 cent challenge. I've said that I'm going to take a cent. I'm going to convert it into 800,000 Rand, which is 8 billion% growth over at least a year. And then as soon as I started, I said I'm going to change that and get 1 BSV, Bitcoin Satoshi Vision, and then I'm going to stamp all on-chain each and every transaction, each and every deal that I'm making, so that people, my students on the inner circle, can follow and see exactly what I'm doing and how I apply the Wealth Creators method. Because a BSV, 1 Bitcoin, is equivalent of 100 million Satoshis or sats. And each and every one of those sats has got value, but you, as a wealth creator, determines the value. So I'd like you to look at this page, and you can go there at any stage, but I'm going to take a screenshot of this page as it stands today when I'm doing this recording. And this simply says that if we look at, I bought the BSV, by the way, that I got for free because of the Wealth Creators method, for $20, I think. I'm not 100% sure. I need to go and have a look. But what is the cumulative value of that today? It's $45,751.34, or 770,436 rands. How many Satoshis have I used up to now in order to be able to do it? I've used 203,284 Satoshis. Now, let's play a game. I want you to do a calculation and tell me, based on utility, this is how it stands in the Bitcoin white paper. Satoshi never intended this thing to be digital gold or to have enormous market value. This concept, as far as I'm concerned, and I'm writing that in my blog, I'll give you a link to the blog, why I say that the BTC, the Bitcoin that you guys are talking about and that the world think is Bitcoin, is not Bitcoin. It's been stolen. It's been hijacked by the same system that I'm preaching and saying, this is what happens and this is why people stay where they are in this rat race. So he talks about the utility value. That utility value depends on you as the individual. So my BSV will have a different value than your BSV the moment that we start using it. The market value is going to say it's $10 or $5 or $100,000 or whatever the market feels like. But the market is confoculated. This is why I've written this blog under confoculated. We do not understand what we don't understand, but what we're supposed to understand. The moment that you understand the functionality of something, then you can make an informed decision. Before that, you cannot. So if I've used 203,284 sats to create a value of $45,751.34. Now, what then, if I can continue adding this value and extracting this value because I'm a wealth creator and I know how to apply the wealth creator strategy, if I know how to do this and I continue doing this, and by the way, each and every one of these transactions, there's 199 of these transactions, they are stamped on the blockchain. In other words, it's there for everyone to see forever. Now, of course, my inner circle students have got access to it and they know exactly what I'm doing. But this is what I want to bring to you. What is the value of 1 BSV there? So in the comment section, I want you to tell me what is that value. Now, the person that's going to get the exact number, or the people that's going to get the exact number, I will give you access to my Rulers Principle. It's a course that I've made, I think in 2016 or 17, where I'm sharing with my students how I select my coins that I've got, right? And what to look for. Now, I can tell you that at the moment, I do not have a single BTC or a single other coin, simply because, as you'll see, the story changed and my understanding, which is part of the ruler's principle, changed. Now, my students will know why and how, but I'll give you that course free of charge if you can do the sum and tell me what, to me, with my skill levels that I've got currently, if we can continue with this, what the value of one BSV to me will be. Right? So if you want to take up me on that offer, go for it. I'm also going to give you a link to the blog that I wrote, and maybe that can help you a little bit more. Now, it's a little bit technical. I think it's going to take you 20 to 30 minutes to go through it. But if you're serious about your future, you're serious about investing, and you're serious about to get your IGR, your investment growth rate, to be bigger than your FFGR, then I think that this exercise can add enormous value to you. So let's see who's going to get it right, who's going to get closest, and then I will give you access to that. Read the blog, tell me, give me feedback, and then I'll see you in the next one.